I take my iPad with me everywhere. If I've got a couple of minutes, I can draw, practice, even work on a client project when I'm away from home. By far, the best drawing and painting app available for the iPad is Procreate. Hi, I'm Brad, and in this course, you're going to learn everything you need to know to master the app Procreate.
Is this class about drawing?
Yes! We're gonna learn drawing and painting techniques. I think the best way to learn how I learn is by doing, and the best way to learn Procreate is by drawing in Procreate.
Draw what?
Well, we're gonna go over brushes, and we're gonna go over a lot of basic drawing and painting techniques that anybody can do. We're gonna learn about the selection tool by drawing comic strips, and we're gonna talk about all the features that they packed into the layers by creating a painting with overlapping textures. All the examples that I use here are simple, they're easy to follow. Anybody can follow along and learn different drawing and painting techniques while learning this program. Whether you're just learning how to draw or you're someone who already loves drawing and wants to learn Procreate, this is a great place to start. You can draw with your finger. You can draw with a stylus. You can have a brand new iPad, or your iPad can be a couple years old. It doesn't matter. Plus, there's so much more here. We're going to be talking about the perspective grid. We're going to be talking about easily coloring and filling in solid objects. We're going to even be talking about how you can export your own speed draw videos from any painting you do in Procreate. So what are you waiting for?
I'm hungry.
Okay, can't help you there. Go to the kitchen, get a snack, then come back and we can start drawing.